As a meditation practice, we can use listening as a way of being present. When we listen inclusively to everything around us, we are expanding into the world to receive, taking in as much as possible and expanding even more. Our intention is to listen without judging one sound as better or worse than any other. Traffic can be a challenge as it takes up a lot of bandwidth. But there are also many other sounds happening. We can listen beyond the traffic for the most distant and quiet sounds. It's important to keep a soft attitude to sound without pushing it away and closing off our experience. We can try to stay open, curious, and attentive. Listening gives us a chance to really notice and think about our soundscape. Do we like it as it is? Or are there things we would like to change? Could our environment sound different?